Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS Safe Mode error shutdown issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to head down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button or the Windows icon. Once you click it, simply type Task Manager into the search bar that appears. You'll see Task Manager pop up in the results, so go ahead and click on it to open the application. This tool is essential for managing all the processes currently running on your computer. Now, once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running applications until you find OBS Studio. When you spot it, right-click on OBS Studio and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will completely close the program and stop any background processes that might be causing the shutdown error. It's important to fully terminate the application before making any configuration changes to ensure they take effect properly. Next, navigate back to your desktop and locate the OBS app icon. Right-click on the OBS application icon and from the context menu that pops up, select Properties. This will open a new window containing various settings and information about the application. In the Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Target with a text field beside it displaying the application's file path. Click at the very end of this text field where the path ends. You're about to add a special parameter that will bypass the shutdown check that's been causing your error. This parameter tells OBS to skip certain safety checks during startup and shutdown, which often resolves this particular issue. Now, carefully add a space after the existing path, then type --disable-shutdown-check. Make sure you type it exactly as I mentioned, with 2 dashes at the beginning and single dashes between each word. This command line argument modifies how OBS handles its shutdown process and should eliminate the safe mode error you've been experiencing. After you've entered the parameter, look down to the bottom right corner of the Properties window. Click Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the window. The settings are now applied to your OBS application. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the OBS Safe Mode shutdown error by adding a parameter that bypasses the problematic shutdown check. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.